Hi guys, so this video is for anyone who is in the throes of or planning on doing a 521 Datsun pickup build. I have done a fairly simple upgrade, but it's been a nut and bolt redo, so I've taken everything back down to bare metal and resprayed it, and new nuts and bolts and full engine rebuild. Gearbox is another story, but I will show you each component in detail so you can see what has been done, what can be done, and what should not be touched. So this old girl originally had an L16 in it. It now has an L20B. The engine rebuild kit you can get from Clegg, which I will put in the description below. And the only hiccup with putting the L20B in place of the 1.6 litre is that the oil pan on the 1.6 litre needs to be put onto the L20B so that it clears the steering mechanism when you reinstall the engine. Rebuild aside, the engine has all new accessories, so I have an exhaust extractor. Again, all of the links will be in the description below. Twin 45mm knockoff Weber carburetors and an intake manifold, an ignition 123 distributor, which is a Bluetooth distributor, which is great for keeping the car timed as well as security. And then I've upgraded the alternator. As you can see, it's a lot larger than the original. Most of the suspension components I got from Rock Auto. It's a great website to source most of the parts. However, there are a few parts that are unfindable. For starters, most of the components in the wishbone front suspension are unable to be sourced, so I have left those original. As this car originally only had 100,000 miles on the clock, I am pretty sure that they are still in pretty good condition. The gearbox, I was only able to source the main input and output seals, and as far as I am aware, the rest is no longer being manufactured. Front wheel inner wheel bearings are also very hard to source. I ended up using an industrial bearing for that. The rear wheel inner seal was also a hard part to find. It is a Nissan forklift part, and for some strange reason they only make right hand tie rods, not the left hand tie rod, so I had to cut and weld a second right hand tie rod to meet my needs. So if you are using Rock Auto website, keep an eye out for those parts, because if you order them from Rock Auto, they will be completely the wrong components. The 2-inch stainless steel exhaust system is a kit from Amazon, which I have welded together with a stick welder to create this system, and that's bolted up to the new exhaust extractors which I got from one of the Datsun websites. The consensus is that a 2¼ inch exhaust system is ample, or the biggest you should go to with a L20B, but I went with the 2-inch simply because it was easier to source and cheaper. And I have wrapped the extractors to minimise the heat transfer into the carburetors. The front brakes have been upgraded with a Silvermine Auto disc brake kit, and everything in the steering setup has been refreshed or replaced. It's also sporting a lightened and balanced flywheel and a limited slip diff insert made by Traction Concepts. Again, all of these things are going to be listed in the description below. There will be a couple of Amazon affiliate links, but the majority of it will be from different websites that I have no affiliation with. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to ask lots of questions. I'm sure there's something that I've missed. And subscribe to this channel if you wish to see more on this vehicle as it gets closer to being finished.